Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris. I hope you're having a fabulous day today, and thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate that. Y'all, Merry Christmas. It's almost Christmas. We've got about 7 days until Christmas, so I hope you're prepared for that. I hope everybody's ready for a happy holiday season. Of course, I have been getting some stuff in from Coach, and I got the packaging with the little bells and all on it, so it was really nice. If you saw my last video, I unboxed this beautiful Kisslock in the large size from the candy crystal drop that just happened last week, and it's beautiful in this beautiful rainbow ombre print, and it's such a nice bag. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it yet. I wanted to get the smaller size as well in the 16, so we're going to unbox the 16 on here today. Just to compare the two and see which one I want to keep, because I love the bigger one, but I just wasn't sure if I wanted to get it. So I want to compare the two together. So today we're going to unbox the 16, and I also have the little candy bag charm that came out. It looks so cute, so I can't wait to open it. Before I open these items though, I do want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, consider subscribing today. If you haven't, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on my Instagram page, so y'all definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there, shopping links with discount codes as well, so definitely check that out. And like I said, if everybody could just take a moment to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate each and every thumbs up. So go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. There's also a new feature on YouTube that you can hype people's videos. So go ahead and hype my video for me. All you have to do is go on the mobile app under comments and you swipe and you'll see the hype button. So go ahead and hit that for me. I appreciate that. Y'all, let's get on with the unboxing of this Kisslock 16 in this beautiful rainbow crystal embellished bag. It did come, like I said, I'm going to compare the two, and of course the large one is really nice and big, and I love it. It's got the strap for your shoulder and everything on it, but we're going to see the smaller version in the 16. And when I got the box, I was kind of like, okay, it's very small, so we'll see. I'm not really sure. I'm thinking it's going to be too small for me. I mean, I do want to be able to use the bag. I don't want to just have it as an ornament sitting around, so we're going to see how big it is and compare the two. And like I said, I do have the charm in there too. So let's get into that, and we're going to open up both of those right now. So let's get into it. All right. And I probably won't get anything else from this line. I wish they would come out with some other different bags and wallets and stuff in this line. I love the color of it and everything. So, all right. And so here is the packaging here. It's got your Coach stuff on it, and I did get them to wrap it up with the little wrapping and everything. They didn't put it in a box or anything like that, but they did put in the little Coach thing here. Let me get rid of this box here, and we're going to get into the dust bag here. And of course, here is the charm that came with it. So just that, and then they put some little stuffing in here, and let's see what else is in the little wrap here. I don't know what that is, just some stuffing. So yeah, so they put that in there maybe just to keep it from bouncing around in the box. But let's get rid of that, and we'll get rid of this paper as well. So if you're giving a gift, you can request a gift box, and they'll give you a gift box. I got the last one in a gift box. If you watch the video, you'll see that on there. So here is the little bag, and it does feel tiny, y'all. I just don't know. It does feel small, so let's see what it looks like outside of the dust bag. If you watch my channel, y'all know how I feel about a dust bag. Don't really care about those. It's just a damn dust bag, so let's get rid of that. All right, and here she is. Very, very small little bag. I really thought it was gonna be small, but this is so dainty, and I'm such a big person, I don't really know that I'm gonna be able to get much use out of this. Like, I don't know, these kind of bags like this for me, I just always say, what am I gonna do with this? Am I gonna just put my phone in it? Because that's about all it's gonna fit in it for me. I like to carry a lot of stuff, so. But let's do unwrap it. It is really beautiful, and it comes in that beautiful ombre crystal there. Let me just show it up close. We'll do a 360 spin, and I'm gonna take everything off of it. And then of course I will show every detail up close for you as well. So that is the little spin there, and there's the bottom of it. So let's go ahead, and we're gonna get all the wrapping off of it, and I'll come right back and show you the details. All right, y'all, so I managed to get all of the packaging and everything off of the bag here, and here it is in all its glory. It's really beautiful. I love the crystal on it. It does come with the bag charm here and the 2 hang tags here. I'll show you some close-up details and everything, and we'll go over everything for you. There's the price tag on it, and of course the side here with your Kisslock going up the side there, and then there's the back side of the bag, your other side, and then I think I showed you the bottom of it there as well. So very, very nice. It does have the Kisslock on the top there, and I was wanting to compare the two. I will say, for some reason, the balls on this one look a little bit more matte than the one I have on the large one. Not really sure what that's about. You would think everything would kind of match as far as the matteness of the hardware. I'll compare the two and I'll show you in a moment, but maybe that's just these particular 2 bags, but they do look a little different to me. Like I said, the size of it, I just don't know that I'm gonna be able to do anything with this little bag. I mean, compared to my size, what do you think? So yeah, but let's go over some close-up details of this bag. I do want to compare the two as well. So let me just show you the two up close. Now this strap here, people were complaining that it doesn't come off, but I'll show you that you can, use the bag as just a clutch bag if you want without it. You don't have to take the thing off. It actually will tuck inside the Kisslock, but here is the bigger size, and then here is the smaller one to give you a comparison of the size difference here. So, and this bag is about, the smaller one, it's about half the price of the bigger one. So you get a lot more bag for a little bit more money, about half or double the price of this one. You're gonna get a lot more bag. But it just depends. I don't know why they didn't do this in like a medium size in between, but really cute. And if you're dainty and you want something that's really cute or just something for a special occasion, this bag right here is beautiful. So, but let's compare the two. I will say there's the 2 balls kind of together, if you can see those together there. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but seems like this one is a little bit more of a matte, softer finish, and this one's a little more shiny to me, but you tell me what you think here. The same size and everything. Your tag here and your little charm and everything, they are a different size as far as I can tell. Yeah, I said the bigger bag has the bigger heart on it, and then your smaller one's gonna have a smaller heart on it. So that's the difference there on that. All right, so let's go back to the smaller bag here and show you some close-up details on this one. Let's move in close on the luggage tags here, okay? So there is your luggage tag there, and it has, of course, Coach on it. And then your other one says, let me see, let me read it to you. The Kisslock frame bag, and it has limited re-edition from 1969 on it. Let me just show you up close where you can see and read it yourself there. But there is the other one, and these bags were made by Bonnie Cashin back in the day. She was one of the original designers of Coach, and she designed the original Kisslock. So there's that, and then there is the heart charm up close there, and on the back side it has Coach logoing on it as well, and it's just a little leather hang there. So that is the details on the front of that. Let me just show you the bag and the crystals up close here so you can get more detail on those. Very, very nice though. The crystals are beautiful. I also had a concern that maybe the crystals would fall off over time, but I've had people in other comments of my other videos say, did not worry about that. They have other crystal bags from Coach, and that they've held it pretty good, as long as you're not shooting hoops with the bag, which I won't be doing that. All right, and then there is the bottom up close, and you have that vachetta leather around the accents of the bottom part of it here all the way around. So that's really beautiful. And then of course those crystals are just beautiful. I'll show you this bag in a little different light too, because it does look different in dimmer light. This is a ring light I'm using, so it does give off a little different look as far as the lighting in here, but it's very cute and very beautiful. Like I said, I just don't know that I will use it besides just setting it on a shelf back there and it being an ornament, which I don't want to do for a $500 bag. But let's open up the inside here, and I'm going to show you that. And I'm also going to show you how the strap you can just tuck in on the inside if you don't want the strap. I know some people were complaining about that. So there's the Kisslock. It just opens right up. And of course your strap, it's completely attached all the time because you can't take it off. But let me show you where it's attached here. So you have these little pieces, and they actually will fold. So you can just fold those in, and you could just tuck the whole entire thing in and close the Kisslock. And then you can use the bag as a clutch. So I know people are complaining about that, but you can do that. So that is an option in case you just wanted to carry it like this or like this, you know. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you the interior of this bag. It's the same as the larger Kisslock. It's that beautiful soft leather interior there. And this one does have the Journey tag kind of stamped in there. It's a little different. And then you have your little zipper pull here on a pocket. That's a smaller pocket, of course, because it's a smaller bag, but it's the same little chain that hangs there. Nothing on the end of that, just a small little chain for your zipper pull. And then on the other side here, you do have a little tiny card holder, like slip pocket, that you could put a card in there. So there is the card holder slot there. And it's really just like the size of a business card or your driver's license. So that's really all to the interior of this bag. But it is super cute. Yeah, so I'll show you some mod shots with it just so you can see the size comparison with the two together here in a minute. Now it also came with this longer crossbody chain here. So here is the chain to it. It's really small little clasp on it too. Let me show you those up close here. There is the clasp for that, and it's very small, but the chain is very nice. It feels really good, and it's a nice hardware. So they did good on that. Coach did good on that. So it feels really nice. It's got a nice weight to it, not super heavy, but you can definitely feel it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So, and of course it will just attach to those little pieces where your strap is, and you can wear it that way. I'm not gonna put it on there, but that is the way it goes. Okay, so I'll never wear it crossbody because it's just too short of a chain, but super cute. And let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you the bag term real quick, and then of course come back and I'm gonna show you some mod shots with both bags together and how they look on. But let's open up the charm real quick first. Here is the charm in its little dust bag. And let's see how it looks. I'm really excited about this. It's a cute little charm. All right, let's open it up. All right, and here is the charm. Get all the little wrapping off here. All right, now here it is. Look how beautiful that little charm is. So cute and sparkly with the little crystals on it. Love that. And of course I will definitely be using that. I'm not really sure which one of the bags I'm gonna keep just yet. I'm sure it's probably gonna be the larger one, honestly. But this is really cute. It does have the little Coach tag on there as well. It says Coach on this side, and then you have that little piece of candy there with all the little crystals embellished on it in that ombre rainbow color. Really, really cute. And of course the dog leash style little attachment there, and your key ring there with the Coach logoing on it. So that is the little charm. The charm is $95 on Coach. Okay, let me show you some mod shots with these bags together. All right, y'all, here is the little small 16 Kisslock. You can see how little it is compared to the other larger one. And yeah, it's very, very small for me. So I'll probably be either selling this one or returning it to Coach because it's just way too small for me. And like I said, I don't want to just use it as an ornament on a shelf, and I would like to be able to use the bag. But it is super beautiful though. I love all of the rainbow accents on it and everything, but like I said, it's just so small. I don't really know what I would do with this size bag besides put my phone in it. And that's what it looks like up against me. So yeah, it's a very small little bag, but super cute. And if you're a little small dainty person, then it would look really cute on your body. So definitely get it if you like this bag. It's just a little too small for me, so I'm probably gonna be keeping the larger one. As you can see, the comparison here, there really isn't one. So I'll definitely probably be keeping the larger one. It just fits me so much better. Plus I can actually put some stuff in it. This one is just a little bit too tiny for me, but it is very cute and beautiful. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Did I make the right decision on keeping the bigger one? I think so. I do love all of this line, and I wish that Coach would come out with some more designs and bags and wallets and stuff in this same crystal print, because I love that ombre color. Let me show you what it looks like in some lower light here. It's so beautiful. All right, y'all, that's my review for today on this beautiful Coach Kisslock bag with this beautiful candy rainbow colored embellished crystal. I think it's so beautiful. It's not my size bag. Y'all let me know what you think. Did I make the right decision in the comments? I think I did. I'm probably gonna keep the larger one. It's just a little bit more me. This one is just a little bit too tiny for me, so I'm probably gonna keep the larger one for sure. But this one is really stunningly beautiful, and I'm gonna either return it or sell it. So I know it's sold out on Coach right now, so I do love it. And I do love the bag charm. The bag charm is really beautiful, so I'm really happy that I actually got that. And I just am glad that I was able to get both of them and compare, because I really didn't know which one I was gonna like, but I really think I like the bigger size one too. So I may have to get that one in a leather version as well, but this one's a little bit too dainty for me, so yeah, gonna have to go back. Sorry. But y'all let me know what you think about my review in the comments. I hope I helped everybody out and just comparing the two bags, and I just really love this line. Coach just keeps outdoing themselves every time they have a new drop. So to me, this one is the most beautiful one I've ever seen from Coach. So go ahead, Coach, do your thing. All right, y'all, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in, like I said, to watch this video. And like I said, I hope that it really did help some of y'all. Really stunning bag here. But I hope everybody has a fabulous day. Now, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead, hit it before you leave. And don't forget to give my video a like on the way out. I do appreciate that. I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.